Ever heard of EverBank? Chances are, if you've been looking into online banking or financial institutions, you probably have. But is it as reputable as it seems? Let's dive into the details. What is EverBank? Give a brief overview of EverBank, including its history, services offered, savings accounts, CDs, checking accounts, loans, etc., and any significant milestones. The online banking landscape. Discuss the growing popularity of online banking and the advantages it offers compared to traditional brick-and-mortar banks. Importance of reputability. Explain why it's crucial to choose a reputable bank, especially in the digital age where online scams and financial fraud are prevalent. Key factors to consider. Customer reviews and testimonials. Highlight the importance of customer feedback and share real-world experiences from EverBank customers. Discuss platforms like Trustpilot, Yelp, and the Better Business Bureau. Financial stability and security. Explore EverBank's financial health, including its deposit insurance coverage, FDIC or NCUA, credit ratings, and any past financial crises it has faced. Customer service. Discuss the quality of EverBank's customer service, including response times, accessibility, and the overall customer experience. Fees and charges. Compare EverBank's fees and charges to other online banks and traditional institutions. Look for hidden fees, monthly maintenance fees, and any associated costs. Security measures. Discuss the security measures EverBank has in place to protect customer data, such as encryption, fraud monitoring, and multi-factor authentication. Case studies and examples. Positive experiences. Share success stories of customers who have had positive experiences with EverBank, such as high interest rates on savings accounts, convenient online banking features, or excellent customer service. Negative experiences. Address any negative experiences or complaints that have been reported. Discuss how EverBank has handled these issues and whether they have been resolved to the customer's satisfaction. Comparison to competitors. Direct competitors. Compare EverBank to similar online banks, such as Ally Bank, Capital One 360, and Marcus by Goldman Sachs. Focus on key differences in terms of interest rates, fees, features, and customer service. Traditional banks. Compare EverBank to traditional brick-and-mortar banks. Discuss the advantages and disadvantages of each type of institution, considering factors like convenience, accessibility, and personal service. Summarize the main points discussed in the video, including the positive and negative aspects of EverBank. Based on the information gathered, provide your overall assessment of EverBank's reputation. Is it a reputable and trustworthy online bank? Encourage viewers to conduct their own research and make an informed decision based on their individual needs and preferences. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time. Remember, when it comes to choosing a bank, reputation matters. Do your due diligence and find an institution that aligns with your financial goals.